Hey guys, Max here with Tower Hobbies. We're in our product development building and we're going to do an unboxing with our Force RC NorthWood. If you could see what was behind you right now, you'd be jaw dropped. But we're going to crack this thing open. We've already popped the seals just to move the video along a little faster. Maybe. Alright, this is what we got in our box here. We got our truck and some other little things that we're going to take out. There. Here, we'll get the manual out. We'll tease you a little bit. Got your manual, you got your charger, radio batteries. Looks like there's a T-wrench in there. Yep, there is. Alright, now for the whole shebang. So I had to take the tires off so it could fit in the box. So there is a little assembly required. I'm going to flip this over and I'm going to cut the tape here so we can get this guy open. Alright, so here's your tires. Got 4 tires, got your transmitter. I'm going to go ahead and cut the zip tie. Maybe. There we go. Alright, so we got our truck. We'll probably assemble the tires, honestly. Get the tires on here. We'll get the transmitter out first. There we go. Alright, so we're going to put this off to the side for a second and talk about what comes in the box. So we got our manual. You got your charger for your nickel metal battery that comes in the box. Pretty simple wall charger. And then you got a hex wrench, batteries for your transmitter, and your manual. Always make sure you read the manual before driving any vehicle. Got important instructions of stuff you should do beforehand. And then we have our Force RC transmitter for your NorthWood. Pretty simple transmitter. Nice steering wheel, has good grip. And then this thing slides down and pops open. There you go. So you got your throttle and steering dual rates, throttle trim, reverse switches. Pretty standard stuff on a radio. We'll pop into the tires so you can see the tread pattern and how big these tires actually are. Pretty nice tires. Nice foams. Pretty nice and squishy for good traction. Alright, now to the main attraction, the NorthWood. So we're going to just take a scan over the body real quick. Nice scale body, not a whole bunch of super awesome details. You got your NorthWood sticker down here, little window stickers. My favorite part has got to be this rear window sticker. Looks like kids chasing his family with a car. Nice tail lights. Move around to the hood here. Headlights, grill. Alright, we'll stop teasing you guys. We'll open this up. So your battery's going to come in your truck, just a little easier, less packaging to rummage through. You got a water-resistant ESC and receiver combination, so it keeps the clutter down in the truck. And this is LiPo compatible, even though it comes with a nickel metal hydride battery. Get this tie wrap off here. There we go. Nice waterproof servo. Brushed motor, so that's waterproof. You got your locking differentials, oil-filled shocks, aluminum chassis. This thing's got some weight to it, so it's definitely not going to be tumbling around or getting pulled around on the trail. Let's see if we can get these tires on and just show you how big this thing actually is. Alright, so we've got our wheels buttoned on. Now we're going to throw the body back on and show you kind of a scale comparison to how big this thing really is. Grab our body here. There we are. So it might not look that big in video, but we're going to grab a normal size 10 scale Viterra Ascender and just sit it next to this guy. And it's just so much bigger. Oh, man. So this is scaled off of a bigger size vehicle, obviously. It's still a 10 scale size vehicle, but it's just a bigger size, full scale 1-to-1 vehicle. So the tires are much bigger than an average 10 scale crawler. It sits a lot higher, it's a lot wider. I mean, put this thing on top and it's just a bigger overall crawler. You're going to get more versatility out of this thing. It's going to get over the smaller objects easier, and even the bigger objects, it's just going to crawl right over them. So if you guys have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments and I'll get to them. Other than that, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more unboxing videos.